Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the etrailer self-adjusting 12 1/4 inch by 3 3/8 inch right hand passenger side electric trailer brake assembly for 10,000 pound axles. Now this electric brake assembly is easy to install. It offers more user control than hydraulic brakes. Basically it requires only an electric brake controller, which we do sell separately on our website. No need for a brake actuator or hydraulic lines. Now it will require a 12 1/4 inch diameter brake drum that'll fit over this assembly. What's nice about this assembly, this is a self-adjusting brake assembly, and you can tell that by the cable here. It goes around the wheel, attaches to the adjustment lever down here, which will automatically adjust the adjustment wheel on your brakes. So when it is moving, it'll do the adjustments for you. This will ensure reliable contact between your brake shoes and the drum, prevents uneven wear on your brake shoes. Now this part here is a right-hand passenger side electric trailer brake assembly, and the way you can tell the difference what side it goes on, of course if you get a new assembly, there'll always be a sticker that'll tell you left hand or right hand, but if the sticker wasn't on there, the next best way to tell is look at the length of the pad on the shoes. This pad goes from here to here, and if we flip it around, this pad goes all the way from here down to here. This is a longer pad. This one is the shorter pad. The shorter pad is your primary shoe, and your primary shoe will always face the front of the trailer. So if I'm at the front of the trailer, you're going to tell you that it goes this way because this is your primary shoe, which faces the front of the trailer. So that's telling you this is the right-hand passenger side assembly. Now the brake pads that are on this, they are long-lasting brake pads, offer excellent braking torque. They are fully bonded to the shoes for more consistent braking compared to riveted pads. And the edges on the pads, they are tapered to help minimize stuttering and brake lockup. Also, if you notice on the very back, they have this metal protective dust shield that'll keep the internal components free from any dirt, grime, or road debris. Has a nice black finish on it to prevent rust and corrosion. And also, if you look closely, you can see it does have 7-bolt brake mounting flange bolt pattern. So this is designed to fit on a 7-bolt brake mounting flange that's on your axle. Now the mounting hardware to install it is not included. You would have to supply that. And again, this application will fit most standard hub and drum assemblies, including Dexter, Lippert, and Alco. Now the measurement on this, we talk about it being 12 1/4 inch by 3 3/8 inch. What those measurements are telling you, the first one is the diameter. So the 12 1/4 is going to be measured from this end to this end. So you can see if we put a ruler on it, there's your 12 1/4 inch diameter. The width, which is the second measurement, is 3 3/8 inches. And what you're going to be measuring is the width of the brake pad. So you can see if we put a ruler on it, 3 3/8 inches. Again, the axle this will fit on is a 10,000 pound axle, and it will require 15-inch and larger wheels. Now these are electric brakes. So if you notice, they do have 2 wires here that need to be connected. One goes to a ground, other goes to the brake feed for power, and they're the same color wire, so either wire can be used for either function. But that's going to do it for a look at the etrailer self-adjusting 12 1/4 inch by 3 3/8 inch right-hand passenger side electric trailer brake assembly for 10,000 pound axles.